A project manager PM is a professional responsible for planning, executing, and closing projects while ensuring they meet goals, deadlines, and budgets. They act as the bridge between stakeholders, team members, and clients, ensuring smooth communication and project success. Key responsibilities of a project manager. 1. Project planning. Define project scope, objectives, and deliverables. Create timelines, Gantt charts, schedules, and allocate resources. Identify risks and develop mitigation strategies. 2. Team leadership. Assign tasks and responsibilities to team members. Motivate and guide the team to meet deadlines, resolve conflicts, and ensure collaboration. 3. Budget management. Estimate costs and track expenses. Ensure the project stays within budget. 4. Stakeholder communication. Provide updates to clients, executives, and team members. Manage expectations and address concerns. 5. Risk and quality management. Identify potential risks and implement solutions. Ensure deliverables meet quality standards. 6. Execution and monitoring. Track progress using tools like Kanban, Scrum, or Agile methodologies. Adjust plans as needed to stay on track. 7. Project closure. Deliver the final product, service. Conduct post-project reviews, lessons learned. Skills required for a project manager. Leadership and decision-making. Communication and negotiation. Time and resource management. Risk assessment and problem solving. Technical knowledge, e.g., PM software like Jira, Trello, MS Project. And adaptability, Agile, Waterfall, hybrid methodologies. Certifications to boost a PM career. PMP, Project Management Professional, Global Standard, PMI, Prince